What's going on, YouTube? I got all my wiring and everything done. Did it all. I gotta get another little clip for that. But I'm about to change these panels and everything. And I rewired that side because the harness was missing. But I gotta go get my the other folding mirror out of my storage. Let me see. Yeah, see it work. So I gotta go get the other one out. But I got everything cleaned up. I ran my switch right there. Then let me cut this off. Ran my switch right here. So, bam. Hit it. Throw it in the middle. Hit it up. Yeah. So I'm gonna run that other one probably tomorrow or something. Or this week, sometime this week. So y'all stay tuned.